How to create AT&T account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application AT&T. It will land you on this home page. Tap on Get Started. And then once again click Get Started. Tap on Create New One at the bottom. It will land you on this interface. So first of all, what you want to do is enter the AT&T phone number or the account number. Once it is done, enter the billing zip code of the account that you wanted to add. And then simply tap on Continue at the bottom. Then again you will have to follow the instruction that is given to you. Enter some of your detailed information if asked. Once you are done entering all the information, tap on Save. And then the AT&T account will be successfully created. Now you will be able to use this account properly. So that's it, and this is simply how you can create your AT&T account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us till the end.